Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This one-owner 2014 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 8,566 miles runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with a luggage rack and is ready for the road. Powered by Harley's 103 cubic inch twin-cam motor, the TRIGLIDE puts out 100 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission and includes an electric reverse gear for easy low-speed maneuvering. It offers spacious storage, comfortable accommodations, and a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, cruise control, CB intercom connections, and a security system with a proximity key fob. It weighs in at 1,180 pounds and has a seat height of 27.1 inches. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.